Hi, I'm Sara with Sara Jane Organizing. This is Ann's house. Ann contacted me to help her with the downsizing process. That entails decluttering, packing, coordinating the haulers and the movers, and unpacking, and maybe some emotional support along the way. My goal is to make sure that Ann has a really smooth move. Let's go meet her. Hi, Ann.
Hi.
It is good to see you. Tell me why you have me here today.
Well, you're going to help me decide what I'm going to take when I move, which I'm really reluctant to do, so I need all the help I can get.
Tell me more about the reluctance.
I find it would be difficult to live in an apartment after living in a house for many years. I find it's going to be a whole new way of life, which I'll have to adjust to. It's all very new to me to be doing this. You know, I've been very settled for years, and now it's difficult. It's just difficult to make decisions and think this is what I absolutely have to do. It's not like, oh, well, maybe next year. You know, it has to be done now.
Okay, you're feeling a little bit of pressure?
Yes.
To make decisions by a certain time and have them. Okay.
Yes.
Well, I can help you with that.
Thank you. I need that. It's hard to get my head around it all. You know, to be moving from a house to an apartment again, you know, and my life will be different. You know, I'll be living in a smaller area. I had a big backyard here. I hope it, you know, I know I will be happy, but I'm trying to get my head around it right now.
Should we have a special code word that maybe tells me, like, you're done?
Okay. Oh, yeah. But I can just say to you, I'm done.
You can.
Yeah. No,
yes, you
I
can.
Just say to you, I'm done.
Okay, perfect. So
No.
if I know that you're going to communicate that well, we're going to have a really great time.
Oh, no, I can tell you.
Perfect.
This, of course, is going. That's a Venice, one of my favorite places. This here was a wedding gift, and this is bone china. So I thought I would keep that.
Yes, and this is where a lot of your out-of-season clothes are?
Yes, that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to get stuff that I can give to Goodwill. This old desk can go.
When you say go, what do you mean go? Go away
Desk
or go
heaven.
with you?
Yeah.
Desk heaven. Okay.
And I'll be getting, these are all my cookery books, but they'll all go because I probably won't be doing a whole lot of cooking.
I think this size dresser is similar to that dresser that's in that room. You can choose to switch it out if you want.
This is a huge mirror here. Now, wait till you see how much I've done down here.
I remember these three were important pieces for you.
Yes, those are three. And these are the sashes. Now that is the black preceptory. That's a Presbyterian sort of religious group in Ireland.
Okay.
And those are all very precious.
Okay.
This was a bedroom when we moved in here. This is no longer a bedroom. This can all go.
So this is where a lot of the dishes are that you are telling me about, you were telling me about earlier?
Yes.
Okay.
Great big house if somebody needs a big house.
You're coming in through here, and here's your kitchen. And straight ahead, this is your dining and living area. And here you can see is your dining room table from your current dining room and your 4 chairs.
Yeah.
Your credenza that you said you wanted to bring with you.
Now there's this smaller one and there's the big china cabinet.
That's correct.
Where's the big one?
So the big one is here next to your dining table.
Okay.
And the small one's here more in the living space. And this is the bedroom, your bedroom. And so I've placed your bed, and I've placed the 3 dressers that you currently have in your room in this space. Here's a list of the things that I've included in this plan and the measurements of those things.
Yes.
So if you ever wanted to figure out, like, what dresser is this one, you know, it's dresser number 1.
Once we vacuum, we will pull out holiday first for her to look at. To have at least one category that can be figured out.
Why don't I pull out the holiday that's back here, which isn't much.
Here, wait 1 sec. Let me to empty the stuff. Blue container.
Yes, I'm sure that's not going to fit. Maybe it's going to be too big in a small apartment. 'Cause
Okay.
I have carpeting on the floor. I usually have those on my door, so I might put them on my
Keep
door.
them?
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh, this is great. It'll take me a month doing this.
Anything in there?
Yeah, we better keep those.
You can tell by her face. She does that thing with her face.
I do what thing with it?
You go,
No, not really. You must get to know the character of people when you're doing this.
yes,
Do you?
yes,
Yeah.
yeah. No to the mouse.
I have to have this because
Telephone?
this was what you had in Ireland and England,
Yes.
and you had to
the
go out
telephone
and
booth.
put your money. And they always smelled nasty.
Did people pee in them?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
This must be as old as I am. I have to
It's a little purse, of course.
I'd let.
All this can go?
Yeah.
This blue bin, Whitney, is a keep bin. These are all keepers.
Okay.
And I'll keep him.
Keep this one.
Yes.
Okay. Mind blown, we have gone through all the holiday. The same process we just did.
Right.
We'll do that with all the kitchen stuff that's in that room.
Okay, that'd be great.
So the next session might be split. We might do a little bit down here and a little bit upstairs. What we're gonna do now is finish up packing up the car. We'll finish up with some last sorting so that family will be able to even just go through some things and see if they want anything.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So today we went through everything in the kitchen, and I will donate everything that you've decided on today to charity for you.
Thank you.
It was glassware, platters, dishes, bowls, mugs, and you made a ton of decisions and you did a phenomenal job.
You've been wonderful.
Thank you. There was at least 500 pounds of goods that we put in the truck today that we're going to be donating for you.
They probably think I live in a castle.
Are you labeling the top too?
Yes.
That might be the one Sarah was wrong. But that means there's one.
Well, moving day was actually very easy, and
Really?
it was. And I really didn't have to do anything, only stand and look and see what was going on. Mm-hmm. But I think part of it was that I had the confidence that somebody was in charge, and I didn't have to worry.
You didn't have to think about all the details.
Yeah, and then when I would get the things in, I would realize, yes, those are really important. I didn't have to bring the piano with me, or I didn't have to bring something that was going to be too big for a small apartment.
We had a floor plan that we put
Yes,
together for
yes,
you. And so you were able to somewhat visualize
Yes.
how it would look and feel. Was that helpful?
I think the most important thing was to have confidence in the person that was helping you with the move, that they would tell you if that's ridiculous to move that to an apartment, or suggest perhaps not to move that because it's not going to fit in.
So you felt comfortable with me telling you those things
Absolutely.
because you trusted
Yes.
that I would have your best interest at heart.
Yes. It's just having somebody there to talk to and to reassure you that it's not all on you. It's somebody that you're going to take care of most of it.
To someone who is going through the process just starting now, they're in their home, the home is full of many years of things and possessions, what would you tell them now, being on the other side?
I think just to give yourself time to just think of what is important, to walk around your house and think what is important. And it's only important to you and not to anybody else.
And what would you do in terms of recommending a service like mine?
Absolutely, 100%. It took such a load off my mind because I had no idea. Regardless of what, a move for anybody is traumatic, but really you made it much, much easier.
Wonderful. Happy to hear that.
Well, you need to be confident that the person knows what they're doing, as well as being a friend. So that you think, well, that must be the way to do it because she says so.
We did get along really well. We communicated well. And I think I could see when you were feeling stressed or overwhelmed, and I was able to divert, or that's a big piece of the whole process, is to see those emotions. And
for older people that are moving, I think it's confidence in the person that's taking care of the whole thing. I think that's what you need. And I felt I had got to know all of you well, and I think that's important. That you were wonderful.
Thanks. I appreciate that.